Okay, so here we are at a website called wordsift.org. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to paste my text into the box, and I've copied and pasted bullfrog on Magnolia Circle into this. Okay, so hopefully you will be able to copy your text into a PDF format or scan it into a PDF format and just copy and paste. You might not be able to do an entire book, maybe just section by section, but this is how you would do it. So you can see I have 706 words in this book. Okay, so now I'm going to press Sift. Okay, so now let's look at what we have. We have a cloud view of the 50 most frequent words in the story. Okay, so you can see that bullfrog appears 24 times in this story. Huron appears 8 times. Bayou appears 6 times. Okay, so these are the 50 most frequent words. Okay, so that in and of itself might help you decide, even though obviously the story is about a bullfrog and you don't need a website to tell you that bullfrog is a central word. You might choose Huron because it appears 8 times. You might choose Bayou. Okay, you might choose something like, let's see, maybe Sticky, or maybe hop, which appears 3 times, right? I'm just giving you some examples. But when you see all the words in the text and the 50 most frequent words, and the larger the word, the higher the frequency, you can get an idea of which words might be important to your students. Okay, so that's the cloud view. Let's look at the text view. Okay, so as you can see, here it is, just in the text, right? And on this side, the program gives you some statistics, okay? There's 710 words. Lexical density is about 50%, so this is a pretty dense text. Remember I said academic text has a higher ratio of content words over total words. So this text is already at 50% density. That's pretty high for the 3rd grade, okay? Average sentence length is about 13.1 words, okay? Now let's look at the readability. These are different readability indexes, and what readability indexes do is they measure syllables, okay, per sentence, sometimes different in a different formula. In any case, they tend to give you a grade level, an average grade level for the text. As you can see, the average grade level for this text is 6th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, okay? This one is a very high. This one is in the 10th grade, and the reason for that is because this particular index counts not syllables, but counts characters, okay? So this is a little bit not in the same category as these other 3. But as you can see from these other 3, they're placing this text already at a 5th to 6th grade level. And we're talking about the 3rd grade here, okay? So that's why I'm saying that, the Common Core has really upped the ante for our students. They're not reading at a 3rd grade level anymore. They're expected to read already at a 5th and 6th grade level. They're being exposed to 5th, 6th grade level text in the 3rd grade. And that's one of the reasons why so many students, and not just English language learners, but so many students are having trouble, okay? Because they're being asked to do so much at such a young age, all right? So let me just show you one more thing here. If you go back to Cloud View, if you scroll down, they used to be able to give you Google Images, but they don't do that anymore. All right, let's do water. Let's just do water. Okay, if I click on water, you can see that it kind of makes a semantic map for me. It kind of makes a map of different kind of synonyms our concept map, and you can use this if it's helpful to you. You can do less, you can do more. You can use this to maybe help you map out some concepts or map out some ideas, okay? And then the other thing that it does is whenever you click on a word in the cloud, it tells you all the sentences in your text where that word appears. And so this might help you target some words, and you could even, copy and paste these into a Word document and print them out and do some sentence activities with your kids. Okay, and that way you don't have to look through the whole book and target the word yourself, but it's just automatically there for you.